Welcome, fam. If your body feels like it's still sitting at your desk, even when you just got out of bed, if your shoulders are hunched, your neck is tight, and your breath feels shallow, this isn't just morning stiffness. It's the weight of your posture trying to hold everything up. Let's hit the mat. Start on all fours, shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin. This isn't just movement. It's remapping the nervous system. You've been locked in one position for too long. Let's break that loop. I promise, this gentle wave unlocks your spine, calms your breath, and reawakens your rhythm. Beginners, keep the range small and the breath steady. Advanced stretches deepen the curve and lengthen the breath. Your spine holds emotional stress just like your muscles do. Let this movement shake some of that off. One more deep round. Can you move slower than your thoughts? Good. That just rewired your spine. Let's support it now. Lower down to your belly, elbows under shoulders, forearms flat. Lift your chest and gaze forward. Let your belly rest heavy on the mat. This is the opposite of how you sit all day. Instead of folding forward, we're opening up. Passively, gently, intentionally. I promise this move counters the slouch that creeps in from your desk, couch, or phone, and it reintroduces strength through stillness. Beginners, widen your legs or lower your chest. Advanced stretches, tuck the chin slightly and press through the forearms for a deeper lift. Do you feel that gentle pull through your ribs and spine? That's posture, relearning how to stand tall. Let's unlock what your keyboard has been stealing from you. From all fours again, now flip your palms so fingertips face your knees. Arms long, gently lean back until you feel a stretch in the forearms and wrists. We rarely think about these small joints until they scream from overuse. This is your anti-typing stretch. I promise, this move restores circulation to your wrists and forearms and helps prevent the midday ache you've been ignoring. Beginners, keep elbows bent and lean just a little. Advanced stretches, straighten arms and sink hips back slowly. Your wrists can impact your shoulders, neck, and even jaw tension. Hold this 5 seconds longer. Breathe into the forearms. You're restoring grip, not just physically, but emotionally. Let's take that release into the tension you've probably carried since yesterday. Come to a comfortable seated position. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Hold, breathe, then switch sides halfway. It's simple, but it's where most of your stress hides. We carry pressure here, not just physically, but mentally. I promise, freeing up your neck unlocks blood flow, reduces tension headaches, and eases nervous system overload. Beginners, keep shoulders relaxed and gentle. Advanced stretches, add a soft hand to increase the stretch. No pulling, just wait. Do you feel that? That little stretch under your ear into your shoulder? That's where burnout sits. And that's what you're moving out. Let's challenge that posture and end strong. Come to tall kneeling and standing. Clasp your hands behind your back. Pull them down and back. Lift your chest. This is your reset button for posture. Every hour you've spent leaning forward, this undoes it. I promise, opening up your chest here improves your breathing, posture, and mental clarity. Beginners, hold a towel between hands to reduce shoulder strain. Advanced stretches, add a slight backward lean while keeping your core engaged. Can you hold for 10 seconds without letting your shoulders creep up? This isn't about flexibility, it's about reclaiming space. And you just did that. your spine, your breath, and your day. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. And it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.